do a face mask. I'm going to be very straightforward. So I've got a cleansed face. I've washed my face. Hey guys, my name is Akia, aka Showstopper on social media. Thank you so much for joining me once again. So I'm doing a face mask. I'm going to be very straight, a little big one. I don't know what that is coming there. But anyhow, just so you don't neglect your parts of your face sometimes, I'm going to start off with just moisturizing my lips using one of these guys, just a lip balm. I often do this while I'm doing my face mask, simply because I don't want my lips to be too dry while everything else is looking fabulous. So yeah, so I've got rice. I've pre-made the paste for the mask. So I've got rice flour in it, aloe vera gel, a bit of rose water, and some lemon. Amazing ingredients for your face. So I'm going to put the benefits of the mask in the description box, so please do feel free, read them. It's important that you read them so you know what you're putting on your skin. It's all natural. I try and stick to organic, but they're not always organic, but I try to do that. Sometimes I make my own flour, so you can do that as well. So guys, I'm just going to dive into it, and here I am putting on my rice mask. So amazing for youthfulness and stuff like that. Got a little brush here, a bit smaller than my usual one, and I'm just going to go in and what have I done? Just going to go in and put a very thin layer. Most of my mask, well actually all of it actually, to be honest. Just don't know what I'm trying to do there, but anyway. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it on for a good say a good 20 minutes, 20 to half an hour until it dries. And then I'm gonna first I'm gonna massage it all gently around my whole entire face, and then I'm gonna wash my face, and I'm gonna come back to show you guys the results. So it's a very straightforward mask, very good for anti-aging, and it's also just good for your general skin well-being. So thank you guys for coming through. I really hope that if you have not subscribed, you can subscribe. The subscribe button is right there. It's a red button. Doesn't take much to subscribe, and it's free. So please do support me. I appreciate that. Thank you. So guys, it's starting to dry up. So my whole face is feeling very firm and tight. As you can see, it's very dry. I'm just gonna go to the bathroom and, like I said before, kind of gently massage it off from the wet parts and go into the drier parts. Be very gentle in circular motions and outwards. On your neck, you gotta do it upwards, because that is good for your skin. And then obviously because it lifts the neck, and you want that to be done. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and wash my face, and then I'll be back and we'll be done. Hopefully the results are amazing. Thank you. So I'm just in the bathroom, and I'm gonna quickly gently massage this off. You can hear it. Best if it's a little bit wet. Hi guys, so this is the end result after the rice, aloe vera, rose water face mask. Fabulous. So that's all it. Please do subscribe guys. Thank you so much for your support so far. I look forward to bringing more videos out, and I hope that you also enjoy them. If you do have any suggestion, please do leave a comment below, and I'll read them and I'll respond to them. Thank you so much. I'll see you next week. Bye.